Feet that could be clawed but are not, arms that might have flown but did not. No one said, "Let there be angels," but the birds, whose choirs fling alleluias over the sea, herring gulls, blackbacks carolling raucously, while cormorants dry their wings on a rocky stable. Plovers that stoop to sanctify the land and scoop small roundy mangers in the sand swaddle a saviour each in a speckled shell. A chaffinchie fife, unreeling in the marsh, accompanies the tune a solo thrush half sings, half talks in riffs of wordless words. As hymns flare up from tiny muscled throats, robins and hidden wrens whose shiny notes tinsel the precincts of the winter sun. What loftier organ than these pipes of beech, pillars resounding with the jackdaw's speech, and poplars swayed with light like shaken bells. Wings that could be hands but are not, cries that might be pleas but cannot question or disinvent the stalker's gun. Be your own hammer-beam angels of the air before, in the maze of space, you disappear, stilled by our dazzling anthrocentric mills.